instead of holding on to this information for an upcoming book.
That's ABC's Cecilia Vega on the In-Depth at 15 to 45.
6:49, it's emergency triple team traffic brought to you by Mountain America's 3% balance transfer bonus. Where is the problem, Andy?
Well, the big one now is southbound I-15, 650 North Clearfield near the Westgate to Hill Air Force Base. It's blocking all but the right lane, so only one lane getting by to the right, and traffic is at a halt all the way back to the Roy exit now, and it's going to get closer to the I-84 split here shortly. If you're heading south, I mean, people are hardly moving at all right now going through that area, so if you want, split off to I-84 now while you still can, and take Highway 89 south while you still can. Already seeing just a little bit of slowdown right before Oak Hills Drive where they were doing that utility work last week. Eric?
Got a northbound crash in Midvale, and this is blocking off a couple of right lanes. This is right before 7200 south, and the backups already are going all the way back to 123 south. Of course, a lot of that is just normal congestion, but this is only going to add to the woes for folks that are trying to move from Point of the Mountain up to the south interchange. Down Utah County, no problems on I-15 so far. Heather?
We're looking good through most of the Salt Lake Valley. 5600 West and Bangalore Highway has the typical delays heading north toward the 201 freeway. SR 36 in Tooele County also well below the speed limit as you make your way between Mills Junction and I-80. But once you hop on I-80, you've got good speeds to the airport. Zero Res leaves no dirt attracting residues behind, so your carpets stay cleaner longer. Schedule your cleaning today for just $33 per room. Minimum supply. Online at ZeroResSaltLake.com. Heather Kelly in the KSL Traffic Center.
Traffic and weather together every 10 minutes on the 9s, and let's look ahead to that 7-day forecast. And back over to you, Grant.
On sunshine today, high temperatures climbing up there to right around 40 degrees. Going to stay a little colder than average for this time of year. Sunshine tomorrow and 41, and sunny on Thursday. It's up to 42. Gets warmer on Friday. We still get lots of sun, but we're up to 45, and then mostly sunny up to 46 on Saturday. More clouds come in on Sunday as the winds pick up. It's going to be a warmer day though, up to 51, and then more snow showers in the works for Monday. High temperatures 38. I'm Grant Wayman, KSL Weather Center.
It's cold this morning, 25 degrees.
Nice to hear from all of our texters out there, especially the traffic texters that help us out when we don't have a good eye on it with the UDOT cameras. If you can do so safely, reach out to us on the Utah Community Credit Union KSL text line, as always, 57500.
People all over Utah are losing weight with Skinny Utah. Tamara lost 32 pounds. Terry lost 35. Diane lost 27. And Dane lost an amazing 50 pounds with Skinny Utah's proven plan. At Skinny Utah, they use breakthrough technology to personalize every plan. Because no two bodies are alike. There's never any prepackaged food or shakes to buy. No dangerous drugs or hormones. And no joint-busting exercise. You eat real food you buy in the store, so you lose weight naturally. And every Skinny Utah weight plan comes with their 20-pound promise. So, are you ready to finally lose those extra pounds and get healthy again? Then schedule your free initial consultation at SkinnyUtah.com and get a free body composition analysis. A $99 value, absolutely free. Just go to SkinnyUtah.com and schedule your free appointment today. That's SkinnyUtah.com. At Skinny Utah, you've got nothing to lose but the weight. SkinnyUtah.com.
Would you ask a 4-year-old to sit still and do his homework? Would you be shocked if he threw a tantrum when he didn't get his way? Your child might look 10, but in some ways, what if he's still 4? Our kids live in a different world, and some skills that came naturally to us, for them, never fully developed. They just get stuck. Can your child recite endless facts about sharks and dinosaurs but can't remember to turn in homework? These behaviors are not typical, and rather than growing out of it, things only get harder. You're a good parent, and you have a great kid. Some things you just can't change on your own. Brain Balance can help. This is what we do.
Right now through February, assessments are just $49. Call or text 801-899-4949. That's 801-899-4949. 801-899-4949.
Watching Utah's Money brought to you by UCCU. Love where you bank. The U.S. government says it's going to auction off more than 4,000 bitcoins worth nearly $39 million. The digital coins were all recovered from criminal cases.
The Cinderella Castle at Walt Disney World in Florida is about to undergo a makeover. The work on the castle should last through the summer and will include more gleaming gold accents.
All right, let's see what the markets are doing just ahead of an opening bell.